welcome back to 4K Walks, guys and girls. I'm out in the canyon in Chicamocha in Colombia, glamping. I've had a bad couple of days with some type of infection from some water which was untreated, but I just want to show you around the glamping in Monteza Glamping in Piedecuesta in Colombia. Let's go. Monteza, lujo natural. So this is what you get. All your different options. As you can see, you got all your amenities, crisps, coffee, fridge full of amenities. Like 3,000 pesos, which is less than £1. Talking in sterling libra. Coca-Colas, fridge full of amenities. We're in the Luna Suite, which is, not want any problems with this door. Boy, here we have a jacuzzi. As you can see, perfect place just to relax, take your time out, chill and unwind. Now the prices, you're going to start asking what's the prices. For one night, it's about £150, which is sterling libra. Comes with all your, let's see, toilet, all your accessories, your view, which is amazing. Chicamocha Canyon. Jacuzzi outside, jacuzzi inside, outdoor barbecue, fire, sauna, shower, all your amenities you could ever wish for. As I say, this is the double suite, which is probably the most expensive one, but there is the cheaper option next door. This is starting from about £150 a night. I have to keep this door shut, otherwise the compression messes up the whole thing. So we're going to go outside and explore. I'll show you the canyon. Let's go. Now this is one spectacular place. So if you just take a look. Just look at this. Then you've got the smaller option there, which is also occupied. The mountain canyon range of Chicamocha. I've been using my drone quite a lot, so I've got lots of drone footage, which I'll probably put into some of this video. But you can relax, take your girl, your wife, your girlfriend, chill here. Even if you want to chill on here, you can. Don't know about me, but 17 stone of me on there will be alright or not, I don't know. Yeah, you got a jacuzzi, which we used last night. Perfect to overlook the canyon. Now look at that. Look at that for a view. Such an amazing view. The canyon de Chicamocha. I'm going to go downstairs. We'll go down together. I've got no slippers or shoes on, barefoot, so let's go. Got a sauna. Chill and unwind. Can't use the jacuzzi and the sauna at the same time apparently. Outdoor shower. Look at that for a view for where you can eat. Sitting here, they can come and cook for you for 30,000 pesos, which is about £5 sterling. Fire, which we paid on the first night 8,000 pesos, which is about £1.50, a little bit less than that maybe, to use a fire. Just here, marshmallows, Now we're going to go this way. You've got a swing, hammock, swing. Now as I say, I've been using my drone quite a lot just to get some footage, because I've got a drone channel as well, but I don't use that as much. But for me, whew, this is somewhere different, just overlooking this view here. The Monteza Glamping are available on booking.com. If you Google them, we're in the Santander region of Colombia, which is north of Bogota, close to Bucaramanga, about 30-40 minutes in the car. They take card payments, they take cash. Overall, it's just a beautiful little place to relax and take a day or two out of brilliant holiday vacation. Now I'm going to come off this swing because I'm done with that. So for food, you've got options: hamburgers, steaks, pizzas, all for 30,000, 28,000 pesos, which is like 5-6 quid each, but they have to cook it on the barbecue for you. Shower, which is finished. Outdoor shower. I'm gonna have a shower in a minute, but you can see where you are, your view, overlooking the shower, balloon, suite. Let's go around the back, just give you a full tour. You can see it's very secluded. They come down at different options of the day for breakfast in the morning. Just up there is the office. So we started a breakfast plan for 9 o'clock in the morning, but I've not been feeling too well, so I've not had anything. But you get your eggs, bacon, arepa, orange juice. If you want a coffee, get coffee. So for about $1.50 a night, sterling, English pounds, you're here in Piedecuesta, Monteza Glamping. It's very secure area, compound, lucky neighbours with beautiful houses, and all in the Santander region, trying out the different food in Colombia. Tell me what you think. I'll put up some drone videos as well, and we'll go from there. Adios.